Hello, good morning. My name is Nate Guadagni, and today I'm going to take you through a practice to help relieve tension and stress in your neck and your shoulders. It's a beautiful day out here at the Halibut Point Quarry. Can't wait to take you through a class that's going to leave you feeling much looser, lighter, and ready for your day. Let's get started. Let's begin with a warm-up called Knocking on the Door of Life. You're gonna twist, turn, and tap. Open palm taps your chest around your collarbone area. And a light fist tapping your lower back at the point just opposite your belly button. Let your arms swing loosely and lightly. Relax your neck and shoulders a little bit. You can let them roll around and just check into your body and see how it's feeling. Where's the tension showing up today? Are there any aches or pains? And some deep cleansing breaths. In through the nose, out through the mouth. And start to breathe out any tension that's stuck in your body right now. In through the nose. And out through your mouth. Very nice. Now the top hand is going to slap the shoulder up and over. You're going to swing the arm to the upper trap, up and over your shoulder. So I'm shifting my weight side to side. Notice you can also lift your back heel a little bit. This can relieve some pressure on your knees. And if you're able to, you can do a little smile. That can actually help relieve your jaw tension and just allow you to breathe a little bit deeper. All right, now shake it out, shrug the shoulders. Take a really wide stance. The wider your legs and the deeper your stance, the more pressure and power moves to your lower body, the lighter your upper body will feel. So take a nice deep horse riding stance and roll your shoulders up, back, and down. And your fingertips will move up and out. Good. Bring the elbows laterally outward as you open the shoulder blades and the collarbones, relieving tension along your neck and upper back. Deep breathing here. All right, shake it off and release. Big step forward with your left leg, right leg back into a lunge. And warming up your hips a little bit. And then bring your hands up, pressing them forward, make a curve with your elbow, wrist, and your fingers. You're gonna go 1, 2, and then switch, 3, 4. So 2 times one side, 2 times the other. And you're aiming for this area on the back of your neck to relieve the C7 vertebra, the biggest bone of your neck. And you'll feel a lot of muscle connections there, probably a lot of adhesions, kind of knots and points of tension. And make sure as you're doing this, it's not getting tighter. If you start to get tired or tight, just stop and rest, and then start again once it's relaxed. I want this to open little by little. So the top hand goes right over the head, and the other hand next to your hip. Okay, relax there, shake it off. Switch your legs, other leg forward, and once again, rock your hips. Now for this one, I'm going to open up the center of the chest, center of the back. Elbows float up, you're going to pull back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Arms open, palms wide. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 times squeeze your elbows back. 4 times chest open. You can even alternate the top hand each time if you like. Yeah, think of it like a rubber band stretching We're looking for a quality of resilience and springiness. We don't want to add more tension. We want to relieve the tension while building strength and flexibility. Center of the back and the center of the chest open. Wonderful. All right, release. Shake it off. Next, feet wide. Bend your knees down. Once again, a wide, low stance will help relieve tension in your upper body. And bring your hands up, pushing both hands one way and turning your head the other. The Qigong practice called dragon stretches its tail. Inhale, your palms look in and your face and hands look at each other, and then look away from the hands. You're stretching the edge of your neck with each breath. Inhale as it comes in. Rise up a little. Exhale, push away, turn. And take your time with this. From the back of the ear, down the side of the neck, into the jaw and collarbone area. Release that whole line of tension there. All right, let's switch sides now. You're going to inhale and exhale. Push the other way and turn your head opposite. Make sure the shoulders stay as relaxed as possible. We don't want to add more tension by overdoing it. Smooth and relax. One more time. All right, release. Come back in, shrug your shoulders, up, back, and down. Now for a tapping exercise, rub your hands together. You're gonna bend one knee and hold the weight of your head with your front hand. Cup the other hand and tap the base of your skull with the other palm. And just tap around back of the neck, base of the skull, the front hand holding the full weight of your head so your neck can relax. Relax your eyes and jaw. Breathe out through the mouth. Now switching sides, same thing, just hold the other hand. Relax the neck completely as you tap. Modulate the pressure so this creates release and relaxation, not adding any more tension to the neck. All right, and now massage the neck and release. Good. Okay, and this next one is a part of the Qigong 8 brocades called Wise Owl Gazes Backwards. This variation will help to open the chest, the collarbone, throat, and neck. So bring your feet to a comfortable width. And inhale, peel your shoulders open and rotate and look over one side. Exhale, coming back to center. Inhale, other way, rotate. And exhale, relax. And just like that, on your own, take your time. Inhale, rotate one way. Exhale, relax. Massaging the jaw and neck. This can help stimulate the lymph nodes under your jaw. One more. All right, rub your hands together and massage your neck. Dig in with your fingers and palms. And next, tilt your head to one side slowly. And then the other side. Just feel those edges of your neck. And then holding on the first side, take the same side hand up and over and let it rest just above the ear on the head. Don't pull the head down, just let the weight of your hand provide a little extra stretch. And the arm that's down will just relax and peel open a little bit. Let gravity just stretch the edge of your neck, breathing out. Slowing down your breath will relax your muscles. Make sure there's no pain here. When you're done, release the hand first, then let the head float back up. Move it around a little. And the other side, tip. Same side hand comes up, resting just above the ear. Let the weight of the hand provide a little extra stretch. Other arm hang loose. Deep, slow breathing. And release the hand, and then let the head come back up. Once again, rub the hands. And after any neck stretch, it's really nice to do a little neck massage just to release any residual tension there. And now the last one here we're going to do is just a gentle swirl. Imagine a little bit of liquid at the base of a wine glass swirling around, not splashing or sloshing. Not spilling, not a full circle. Just like a little fluid at the base of your skull swirling around those first few vertebrae. The C1, the atlas, C2, the axis. Gentle swirls with the first 2 or 3 vertebrae of your neck. And then reverse directions. All right, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope your neck feels a little bit smoother, a little bit clearer, and hope you enjoy the rest of your day. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, send a comment, and make sure to share it with somebody. Remember, sharing is caring, and I hope to see you in the next video. Be well.